Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer files from your Android phone to your Windows PC using just a USB cable, no extra software needed. First, connect your phone to your PC using the USB cable that came with your device. Right away, you'll see a notification pop up on your phone asking how you want to use the USB connection. Tap on that notification and choose File Transfer or Android Auto. This tells your phone to open up file access for your computer. Once you've done that, a file transfer window might automatically pop up on your PC. If it doesn't, just open File Explorer and go to this PC. There, you'll see your phone listed as a connected device, usually with your phone's model name. Open it up and you'll have full access to your files. Most of your photos will be in the DCIM folder, and downloaded files will usually be in the Downloads folder. From here you can just drag and drop files to any folder on your computer. Or you can copy and paste them wherever you want. This is a super easy way to move photos, videos, or documents without relying on the cloud. Just plug in, tap File Transfer, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.